In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade perpetuals on Aster DEX. Now first, you need to go to Aster DEX's official website and connect your wallet. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. So here, when you come to Aster DEX, first connect your wallet. As I said, I have my Phantom wallet connected over here. You can watch the tutorials on my channel. I have a tutorial on how to connect every single wallet to Aster DEX, so just go watch that first. And whenever you have your wallet on here, you of course want to switch to Perpetual here, top left. And then you want to click on the deposit button and you want to deposit some tokens from your wallet. So for example, if I have some USDT, I can just select that, the amount, and then click deposit, and within just about a minute, I'm gonna have my funds on here. Now, after that, you'll be able to see, you'll have your value over here. So when you click on your wallet, this is gonna be the value of your current wallet, your perpetual wallet. And then to actually trade perpetuals, just choose whatever you want to trade here on the left. You can just scroll down. As you can see, there's a bunch of different things. Click on something you'd like to trade, and then just here you can go ahead and buy or long or sell or short. Over here you can select if you want market, limit, stop limit, or any of the other available orders, and then just basically initiate the order by buying or selling over here, and you'll be able to see your positions down here at the bottom. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.